Hey Eric, nope, everything's sold out tonight, man. Appreciate you checking though. All right, guys, we'll give it a minute or two, let everybody get logged on. I see a lot of you guys have found it, so that's good. If you would, please like or follow the page as well if you get a chance. I really appreciate the follow. Um, Give it a few more seconds and we will get started. What's up, Jeremiah? How you been, bud? All right, we're gonna go ahead and get started. Appreciate you guys buying in tonight. I will get this uploaded to YouTube right after the break. So if you want to go back and review it, you can check YouTube or it'll be on the Facebook page as well. So just so you know. All right, this is 6 boxes of Panini Contenders. Let's see who's got what. Diamondbacks Corey, Orioles Daniel, Red Sox Robert, White Sox Omar, Cubs Art, Reds Tyler, Indians Kyle, Rockies Brendan, Tigers Andrew, Astros Tyler, Royals Brandon, Angels Art, Dodgers Michael, Marlins Art, Brewers Brendan, Twins Sam, Yankees George, Mets Scott, A's Shad, Phillies Brendan, Pirates Brandon H, Padres Art, Giants Sam, Mariners Tyler, Cardinals Brendan, Rays John, Rangers Elizabeth, Blue Jays Omar, Nationals Brendan. Right. All right, we will get started here. Again, appreciate you guys buying in. I do have a break tomorrow night on eBay as well. It's one box of Bowman First Edition. That's going to break tomorrow night. And then Thursday night, I've got 4 boxes of Topps Chrome Black on eBay as well. If you guys are interested, check it out. That Topps Chrome Black has been pretty incredible. The breaks that I've been in or seen. Some pretty good stuff. Okay, empty box. All right, so Panini Contenders, 6 boxes. There's 6 autographs per box. So I'm going to have a total of 36 autos. And I think it's 108 cards a box, maybe. So we got a bunch of cards coming tonight. Empty. Empty. All right, we'll sleeve up all the hits. Top load the big hits, all the hits, all the big rookies as well. Empty. All cards will ship. Get those out in the next few days. What else? I may not sleeve everything right away just for the sake of time. Got a lot of cards, so probably set some stuff aside and sleeve it after the break. Empty box. All right, let's get started. Good luck to everybody. Great, these are hard to open. This is my first break of this product, so it'll take me a minute to figure out where everything's at. All right, let me figure out where the auto is real quick. All right, so I believe that's it. All right, so our first auto, first pack, going to, wow, that's a good way to start it, guys. Randy Arozarena for the Rays. Damn, nice start. Really nice. Who's got the Rays? John L. Congrats, John. Arozarena. Rookie auto. Nice hit. All right, here we go. Gonzalez. Game Day Otani. Up and coming Munoz. Singer. Zach Greinke. Rizzo. Alonso. Joey Gallo. Soroka. Cruz. Ryu. Bieber. Blackman. Tatis. Bryant. Torres. Gonzalez. That's a pretty good way to start it. And our next hit. Is this a hit? No, that's not it. There's a Guerrero winning ticket. Christian Pache auto. Prospect. I gotta figure out where these hits are. So that's two pretty good hits right there. A Pache and a Arozarena. Pretty good hits. All right, we got a Nolan Ryan Legacy. Future stars Casey Mize. Kalenic. Morton. Castillo. Machado. Rendon. Yelich. Meadows. Rodriguez. Hader. Pujols. And we got a first rounders. It's like a chrome Tyler Soderstrom. Tell you what, it's a little scratched up. VR, Martinez, Otani. All right, let me get rolling here. I'm just going to find the auto in here when I get there. Soler, Jimenez, Moncada, Molina, Marte, Reynolds, Anderson, Chapman, Paddock, Bellinger, Gallo, Soroka, Lynn, and our next auto going to, who is this? Cabrera. Not say which team he's on. Daniel Cabrera. Says he's from LSU. I'll have to figure out which team he's on. Doesn't have it on there. Give me just a second. See if I can download the list here. All right, we got a Robinson, Andrew Vaughn, Liberatore, Robert Hassel. All right. Andrus, Altuve, Mancini, Crawford, McNeil, Alcantara, Newman, Bell, Acuna, Springer, Crawford, McNeil, Bregman. Then we have a Javon Ward going to Milwaukee, to the Brewers. To the Brewers. Marquez, Madrigal, Pache, Mitchell. All right, next pack. Torres, Gonzalez, Albies, Kershaw, Freeman, Trout, Cabrera, Glasnow, Means. We've got a number to 149, JD Martinez, Elvis Andrus, Altuve, Mancini. Our next auto, TJ Zeuch, numbered to 75. And I believe that's the Blue Jays. Yep, Blue Jays. Nice hit, number to 75. Nolan Jones, Rodriguez, winning ticket Tatis, and game day Manny Machado. That's a lot of cards. Lance Lynn, BR, Martinez, Otani, Bryant, Verlander, Escobar, Clevenger, Baez, Story, Albies, Kershaw, Freddie Freeman. Next hit going to, it's going to be Garrett Mitchell. It is numbered to 99. There is a slight little bend right here on the corner. Garrett Mitchell. I'm not sure who he belongs to either. Just trying to pull up a list. Garrett Mitchell. Garrett Mitchell will be the Brewers. We got Trammell, Judge, legacy of Frank Thomas, and Hessen Kirkstead for Baltimore. If you guys see anything that I missed, any hits, let me know. I think I'm catching them all though. All right, box number 2. Here we go, box number 2. Good luck. Alonzo, Gallo, Soroka, Lynn, VR, Judge, Seager, Reynolds, Anderson, Chapman, Rendon, Nola, Donaldson. Next hit's going to be Ronald Bolanos, Kansas City. It's weird. Some of these have it on there, the team on there, and some of them don't. At least maybe I'm not seeing it. A-Rod, Tatis, Machado, Marquez. Moncada, Molina, Marte, Morton, Castillo, Goldschmidt, Votto, Posey, Biggio. Then we've got a numbered Trout to 149. Moncada, Molina, Marte. Next hit's going to be Austin Allen for the A's. Austin Allen. Game Day Ohtani, Nunez, Singer, Trammell. Machado, Rendon, Yelich, Greinke, Rizzo, Hoskins, Harper, Simeon, Berrios, Ramirez, Morton, Castillo, Machado. This is a nice one. Trent Grisham, numbered to 75 for the Padres. Nice hit. Grisham to the Padres to 75. Aaron Judge, Legacy Frank Thomas, Kirkstead, Nolan Jones. Mancini, Crawford, McNeil, Bregman, Boyd, Tatis, Verlander, Escobar, Clevenger, Baez, Giolito, Polanco, DeGrom. Next hit going to the Brave, Victor Vodnik. Auto. Game Day Baez, Andrew Vaughn, Carlson, Eric Pena. Albies, Kershaw, Freeman, Andrus, Altuve, Pujols, Cruz, Ryu, Bieber, Blackman, Cole, Suarez, Minor. Next hit, Domingo Leyba to the Diamondbacks. Come on. Leyva to the Diamondbacks. Wander Franco, Joe Adell, Ricky Henderson, Asa Lacy. All right, Martinez, Otani, Bryant, Torres, Gonzalez, Paddock, Bellinger, Meadows, Rodriguez, Hader, Scherzer, Merrifield, Bogarts. Here's a nice one, rookie treat, Aquino, rookie ticket, Aquino to the Reds. This has been a pretty decent card so far, guys. Some nice autos. Aquino, Madrigal, Pache, Mitchell, Reggie Jackson. All right, 2 boxes down. Let me sleeve up this Franco. All right, here we go. I think for the sake of time, guys, I'm not going to call out every card. Just going to get the hits, the numbered cards. I'll call those out. All right, here we go. Box number 3. All right, we got a Logan Allen auto. That's going to Cleveland. First rounders, Mendick, Martinez Legacy, Pete Alonso, and Wander Franco. Next auto will be Lewis Thorpe, Minnesota Twins. Thorpe to the Twins. Any numbereds in there? I'll go back through before I ship these out and double check everything. If I see anything that needs to be sleeved up, I'll get it sleeved up. All right, here's a card. Vlad Jr., numbered 1 of 99. Numbered 1 of 99. Going to the Blue Jays. Looks like it should be numbered, but it's not. All right, we got a rookie ticket auto of Susugo, numbered 56 of 75 to the Rays. Draft ticket. Susugo to the Rays. Campos, Bellinger. Bogarts, Cole, Hendricks. Next auto is another nice one. Abraham Toro, numbered 47 of 99 to the Astros. One of the smallest autographs in Major League Baseball. And here's another small autograph. Brian Abreu to the Astros. We have back-to-back Astros. Abreu. Alright, we got some kind of shimmer here. What do they call this? Got a Freddie Freeman 18 of 23. I don't think they call it atomic. To the Braves. Next auto, Ryan McBroom, rookie roundup, going to the Royals. McBroom to the Royals. All right, we're halfway there. All right, halfway there. All right, here we go. Box 4. Good luck. Next auto, Bryce Elder going to the Braves. Bryce Elder. Elder to the Braves. Next auto to the Rockies, Jonathan Daza. It's numbered 15 of 99. Daza to the Rockies. Lewis Robert potential. I think that's the first Robert I've seen of anything. Next auto, Jordan Walker. Says he plays third base. Does not say where he's from. Jordan Walker. See if I can figure it out real quick. Jordan Walker belongs to St. Louis Cardinals. Jordan Walker for the Cardinals. There's a Bo Bichette, and what else we got? Next hit, Brock Burke going to the Rangers. There's a Dominguez winning ticket. And Arenado. I'll sleeve this up. Okay, we got a numbered card. Rendon to 99. Next auto is going to be Brandon Lau, Tampa Bay. Rays are having a good night. Lau to the Rays. Next auto, Cade Cavalli, right-handed pitcher. Cavalli. Going to the Nationals, Washington Nationals. Cavalli to the Nationals. All right, 4 down, 2 to go. All right, box number 5. Good luck. All right, next hit going to be Alika Williams. He's a shortstop. Let's see where he's from. Alika Williams going to the Rays. To the Rays. Our next auto, Ismael Mena to the Padres. Mena to the Padres. All right, we got a numbered card of Acuna Jr., numbered to 99. Next auto going to the Blue Jays, Romano, Jordan Romano. Next auto, Bobby Miller. Bobby Miller. And he's going to the Dodgers. Pitcher for the Dodgers. Miller to the Dodgers. Guerrero, Mize, Kalenic, Gonzalez. Next hit, Jalen Davis for the Giants. It's numbered 14 of 75. Nice hit for the Giants. Here's a nice one. Gavin Lux going to the Dodgers. Numbered 59 of 75. Back-to-back Dodgers. Or 2 out of 3. Nice hit. He's got the Dodgers. Michael D, congrats. Gavin Lux, numbered to 75. All right, box number 6. Again, guys, if you haven't had a chance, please like or follow my Facebook page. Trying to do more stuff on Facebook. Save us all a little bit of money. Don't have to put it on eBay. From time to time, I'll throw some up on Facebook till I get a little bigger. I do have, again, the Bowman First Edition on eBay going tomorrow night. 1 box, 24 packs, 10 cards, 240 cards. And then Thursday night, I've got the 4 boxes of Topps Chrome Black, and those are both on eBay. So check them out if you can. All right, we've had some pretty good hits. Let's see if we can finish strong here. Last box. Good luck, everybody. Edwin Rios for the Dodgers. Dodgers are heating up. That is a rookie card. Rios to the Dodgers. Next hit to the Padres. Morjan. It's a nice card. Morjan to the Padres. Judge. Kirkstad. All right, our next hit will be Matt Face. A rookie ticket autograph to the Angels. Face to the Angels. Nick Maton to the Phillies. Maton to the Phillies. Oh, here we go. We got here, got a printing plate. George Soler, 1 of 1. George Soler, Kansas City. Very nice. Who's got the Royals? Brandon D. Printing plate of George Soler, 1/1. That's pretty sweet. Not autographed though. It's kind of weird. It's not in the auto spot, so it's not supposed to be an auto. Interesting. And right behind that, we had a numbered to 99 of Moncada. Next auto, Barrera for the Nationals. Barrera to the Nationals. All right, last pack of the last box, guys. Good luck to everybody. I'll do a quick recap here of the autos when we get through this one. Our last auto going to the Blue Jays, Anthony McKay. Anthony McKay to the Blue Jays. There's a Dominguez winning ticket. Just leave that up. All right, real quick, let's do a quick recap. Our numbered cards. We had a Moncada to 99, Acuna to 99, Rendon to 99, Freeman to 23. We had a Vlad Jr. to 1/99, Trout to 149, and JD Martinez to 149. Hey, thank you, John. All right, here's our autos. McKay, Barrera, Maton, Face, Morjan, Edwin Rios, Gavin Lux to 75, Jalen Davis to 75, Bobby Miller, and we had Jordan Romano, Ismael Mina, Alika Williams, Cade Cavalli, for the Rays, Brandon Lau, Brock Burke, Jordan Walker, to 99 Daza. Atlanta had Bryce Elder, rookie roundup McBroom, Brian Abreu, Toro, and we had a to 75 Susugo, Thorpe, Logan Allen, rookie ticket of Aquino, Leba, Victor Vodnik, to 75 Trent Grisham, and Austin Allen to the A's. Last of the autos, Bolanos, Garrett Mitchell, to 75 TJ Zuch, Milwaukee Javon Ward, Daniel Cabrera, Christian Pache, and the auto of the night, a rookie of Randy Arozarena. And then lastly, we had the George Soler 1/1 printing plate going to the Royals. All right, guys, I'll get these out here in the next day or so. Appreciate you joining the break tonight. Hope everybody enjoyed it. And check out some of my other breaks coming up on eBay. And hope to see you guys real soon. Have a good night.